In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to look in on your competitors' Facebook ads. Literally look behind the scenes on what kind of Facebook ads they're running. A lot of people don't know about this small little trick, but it will definitely help you in your niche on what you're doing. So, for an example, what you want to do, if you don't know who your competitors are in your business, you should definitely know by now. If you don't, I'd pause this video, go over to Google, and start typing in your niche or your products. Find products what are pretty much the same as yours, or the same products you're selling. Have a look at what they're selling them for. Write down a list of 10 to 15 competitors, and you should be checking their stuff every day. You should be following them all on Facebook. You should be following them on Instagram. You should be following them all the time to see what they're doing, because they're more established than you. So let's say if I had a sunglass store and I'm looking at some sunglass stuff. Let's say I'll just look at Quay Shades, Quay Australia. They've got 232,000 followers. Okay, so let's dig into what's happening right now on their page. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to come to their page and have a look, make sure I'm on the right one. The blue tick's there, so that's good. They've got 232,000 followers. That's perfect. Okay, what we want to do here is we want to go to page transparency. Once we hit page transparency, click see more, and then come down to the bottom here and go to ad library. Once we're going to go to ad library, what we're going to see here is we're going to see all their ads. So as you can see here in Australia, just in Australia, they're running 81 different ads. So what I like to do when I'm running ads is have a look at the ads, what they're running. So we can see they're running 2 ads side by side, exactly the same for $29 Quay Shades. Okay, that's a good ad. It's just straight to the point. There's a sale in 2020, $29 for these pair of sunglasses is good. So we can go down and see here. Perfect. See, this ad's got 8. This has got 8 inside it. If we go to see details, they're running these ads 8 times. The same ads. It's running 8 times. So the reason why they're running this ad, guys, is because it's working. They started this on the 15th of December. So if I were you, if I was running some shades or doing whatever I would be looking at, I'd be looking exactly what their ad is running and exactly how they're running their ad, because that is going to give you an insight on a multi-million-dollar company, the reason why they're running 8 of this exactly the same ads, okay? Because it's a winning ad, okay? We can come down here, as you can see, they're running 2 of these ads here. There's 3 of those ads. Yeah, so as you can see here, if we're looking at these type of ads here, we know that they're working. A multi-million-dollar company is just not going to keep running ads and ads and ads if they're not working. So if we look here, they're using this JLo ad quite a lot. They're using this ad 3 times as well, just three across the board. And as you can see here, that they're running exactly the same ads. So what you should be doing here is getting an idea of going, okay, these sunglasses are selling. I'd come back up to the top and I would look exactly at these 8 ads here. And I would look into these ads here and go, okay, these are the sunglasses what are selling the most. You can see these type of sunglasses, these type of sunglasses here are literally the ones what are selling at the moment. So as you can see, look, there. Keep looking. They're all pretty much looking the same type of sunglasses, the round aviator ones. So what I'd be doing if I was running a sunglasses store, I'd be looking at these type of products and I'd be looking to run these type of ads. Also, what you can do as well is go to all impressions, go over to the last 90 days, and you can see ads what have been set up in the last 90 days. Okay, or you can have a look at the last 7, the last day, what ads were set up in the last day. So as you can see, these ads here literally been set up, to be running for the last couple of days. But you can see here, look, this ad has been run 6 times. So the reason why people run the same ad 6 times. So for an example, right, if you're targeting, let's say your target market is, let's say 1 million people. If you've just got one ad to that 1 million people, your ad's not going to go too far. Okay, if you're running 6 of the same ads to those 1 million people, your ad's going to get a lot more impressions and it's going to get a lot more views, and your ad will do a lot better than running one ad. It's like this. If you've got an ad at the moment, every time you post this ad and the ad is actually making you money, okay, think of this. If you've got that ad, every time you post it out there for that 1 or 2 days, you're getting sales from it. It's like a worker. If you've got one person in a hole digging gold, one person only, they're going to find gold. If you've got 2 people in there digging in the same hole, you're going to find twice as much gold. you're going to get twice as much money out of that hole. Exactly the same thing. So what companies do is you keep running that same ad 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Now what you do is you've got 8 to 10 different people in that hole digging gold out of there for you. So the biggest thing what I see when people are running Facebook ads, it's absolutely crazy, is that if you're getting an ad, okay, if you're getting an ad and it's working, don't try and create a brand new ad and let that ad go. It's like if you're standing in a hole now, digging a hole, and you're finding gold after gold after gold after gold, and you're making money from this hole you're digging. Are you going to say to yourself, "Oh, okay, I'm over this hole. I'm over making money from this, this gold hole. Just digging and digging and making money and making money." You're not going to say to yourself, "Okay, let's get out of this hole now. Let's go over there and start digging over there, and let's hopefully this hole has some gold in it." And if you're going to keep digging and there's nothing in there, where are you going to go back to? You're always going to go back to that same hole or that same ad, what was actually making you money previously. So guys, please remember that once you find a Facebook ad what's working, okay, if you're finding a Facebook ad what's working and it's performing, you're making money from that Facebook ad, don't go ahead and let that ad go and go try to build a better ad or add what's what you think it's going to be better. You don't know what ad is going to be better until you test it in the market with real money and actually seeing a real return on that ad. So remember guys, if you're making money from ads, keep the ads where they are. So there is a reason why these ads are working. There's six ads in that one ad set plus a different ad set here. Okay, so that ad set is working really, really well. I can guarantee if I go over to all ads in all countries, we'll see that ad in multiple different, here we go, look, Quay Shades in 19, as you can see. So these ads here are run in a different country, in a different currency. So these ads are definitely working. See what I mean? So these ads are definitely working in America. These ads are working in Europe. These ads will be working all over the place. So this would be the Australian price. This would be the US price. This is obviously, pound and stuff up there. So those ads are absolutely working. So just keep in mind that when we're running ads, that these ads will be working for a reason. So just remember, have a look at the style of the ads. Look what they're writing in the ads. And what you can do is you can build your ads around ads what are working from bigger companies. Don't copy their ads. Don't copy their ads down to a T or anything like that. What I want you to do is that I just want you to view their ads, what are working, look at a couple of different, different ads and different, your different competitors and so forth. And then what you can really do is you can actually see what's working and what's not working. So what you can do as well is then you can type in up the top here what you're looking for. Sunglasses. Sunglass shop. It's got 59,000 people who follow it. Okay. And they're not running any ads at the moment. Okay. But what you can do is that when you're running your ads and stuff, just run your ads through here and have a look at, have a look at big brands. Here we go. Active Sunglasses, 797,000 people. Then they got 1 million people following them. And as you can see here, perfect example, guys. Look, 8 ads, 11 ads of the same ad. Look, there's 22 ads. Or 22, there's 30 ads in this ad spend right here. But look, here's a little insight. They're not running any of these ads on Facebook or anything. These are just on Instagram. So if I go to platforms and go to Facebook, nothing. But if I run Instagram ads, look, everything is Instagram. They're running all of these ads on Instagram. So here, to be honest with you, these sunglasses wrapped around your wrist. So this is telling me one thing, guys, that there is a huge market here on Instagram for these type of sunglasses in Instagram only. So this person here is quite smart. They've nearly got 1 million followers. These guys would be doing quite well. Let's have a look. They're doing quite well. So you definitely want to really look into this. Let's have a look at their website. There's their website. I'm going to use a special tool I like to use just to see. Okay, not bad. Okay, so look, at the end of the day, these guys have got 1 million followers. They're selling these pair of sunglasses at the moment. But the main thing is that they've tested all of these markets. So if you're selling these sunglasses today, like we're talking about, and they're wrapping around your wrists, I would run these on Instagram only, because as you can see that they're only running these on Instagram. If I look at, let's say, Facebook only, there's nothing. So guys, that's a quick insight on how you can spy on your competitors' Facebook ads and just see what kind of Facebook ads are working. Just remember, these big guys are probably spending tens of thousands or up to $1 million a month in advertising. Keep in mind, when these guys are running these ads, they're not going to be wasting money. At the end of the day, they want to see results. So just remember that when you see the ads, duplicated multiple times, you know that, hey, those ads are working. Take ideas from other people's ads. Do not copy other people's ads. Take ideas, what you're seeing today, and then what you're doing is that it's like you're pretty much not hiring somebody to do your ads, but what you're actually learning is they've spent those $10,000, $20,000, on hiring a marketing expert like myself to come in to build their ads. They've done all the testing. They've probably spent $5,000 in testing different ads, and then they're like, okay, these are my ads where I'm digging gold and we're making money, and they're duplicating the winning ads, guys. So once you see that, and that's an insight, what I show all my customers on how you can look at your competitors' ads.